Alright, so let me show you here. Cut one of these quarters. I used a metal cut-off wheel on a circle saw. You can do it with all kinds of things. Cut around where his eyes are, just straight across. You know, the image of that dead idiot. But anyway, if I can find a... Anyway, let me show you what it looks like when you've been certificated it. Like that right there. You come in from the top of the connector and use the flat side facing upward so that it rests against the valve cover, so it's not going to come out and it's not going to fall down. And it's not hard to even get in there. But I'll show you videos of the symptoms I was having, but I found that connector must have popped out on me. So I've already buzz tested this again, and sounds good, but it has before. So it just kind of happened off and on here. So anyway, I'm glad got that straightened out. Hopefully it's not more to it than that. But anyway, if you're getting a 13/16 error on your Power Stroke, you want to check these connectors and also the connectors to your injectors, because that's typically what the fault is a bad connection. So I'm going to reassemble this, and I'm going to go ahead and do the quarter trick on the other side too, just for good measure, even though I don't think it was part of the problem. One other thing to point out, if you use some kind of cut-off tool or whatever to do this that isn't some kind of shears or something, make sure and clean all the metal shavings off. It's probably one thing I've noticed people may not be quite giving out some people may not be giving that information out, but that would be a good course of action to make sure that you don't have any metal burrs or anything on that. So anyway, you just slide it in, curve side down. Trying to do this and make sure I got a angle on it as well, and yeah, and also make sure and push your connector in and make sure it's snapped in there before you try this, and make sure to drop your quarter down into your head too while you're at it. There we go. Now I'm getting it to go down in there. Then once you get it started, it should just go in there pretty easy, and then that clip can't be pushed down and won't come back out. Just make sure that that's good and flush where your valve cover is going to have room to ride without obviously closing on it. But that's the 50-cent mod. Okay, well that'll do it for this video, and I thank you so much for your time and watching, and I hope that it was of help to you. You got what you needed. In closing, I just want to praise my Lord and Savior Jesus Christ, and I ask that He richly bless and guide you and your families. I love all of you guys, even the worst of my enemies, and if you need to know who Jesus Christ is, what He did to save you, and how you can be saved, then check out sharingthetruthinlove.com and click on the Salvation tab to learn all about the Creator of the universe and what all He's done for you. Hope you all have yourselves a great day. Take care.